Hello everyone, welcome to the Thousand Below collaboration, where our special guest this week, or this month, is Nate Bright Art. And Nate is extremely busy, so thank you, Nate, for agreeing to be on our collaboration tonight. Up before me was Shannon from Shambi Fluid Art, and Nate challenged us all to balloon kisses. So I decided I wanted to do, I guess you would call it a cherry blossom tree. So let's get right on down to that canvas and start painting. So here's the colors that we're using today, and I will leave them in the description. So the first color I'm going to put down is the burnt umber, and I'm going to put it down just as tree branches where I kind of would like the tree branches to be, so that when I start putting my balloon kisses on, they make the flowers of the tree. So now I'm starting with my balloon kisses, and I'm just going to go darkest to lightest with my 3 colors and then dip the balloon in it. And sometimes, well, you'll know right away that you maybe have too much paint on there, and I like to use the balloon to try to get up some of the paint, and sometimes I'll use my finger to dab into the paint, just dip it in there and try to get some of the paint off of the area before I do my balloon kiss. But as you see, I'm just going to continue on doing kisses, balloon kisses, until I fill up my tree, and I will let you watch.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So let's go in for a close-up. Okay, so here it is. And hopefully all the lumps and bumps will work their way out as it dries. Okay, I'm not very good at holding this, but I got it hanging on the wall. It really makes the wall pop. Oh, I'm pretty happy with it. This is my dried results. So, it's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I really like it. Well, thank you all for being here. Thanks for supporting our train. And love you all. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.